Scooter Week, coming at you live.
Dorito here.
Hello, Chicago over here.
And today we got ourselves another scooter. We got ourselves a Tao Motor.
Pony 50, people.
Yep, it's a cool little scooter. As you guys remember, we already did the classic 50, but it was gray and blue.
Yeah.
And Luch don't do that.
Now look, I'm an entry-level scooter guy, and I want to join my my man crush Ephraim on his scooter one day.
Sorry, baby, I'm not coming home tonight.
So I'd like to get me a scooter too, but it's got to be a specific one, not just any scooter.
Yep.
This is all black. That's a start.
Yes, matching is a plus.
Matching is a plus.
Yep, so Luch is all about the black scooter.
Absolutely.
So today we're going to go ahead and slap this together. Tell them what it consists of, Luch.
Well, we're not going to slap it together, first off, because I'm going to be right here. So we're going to take meticulous care in putting this piece together.
Yes.
But it's very simple, people. We need to put on a front wheel assembly with brake. We need to put on a handlebar assembly and a front cowl.
Yep.
And then we need to connect the battery.
Yep.
And what can you do after that?
You can check the oil, make sure it's topped off.
Right off into the sunset,
Put
people.
some gas in it, ride it down the road. But
It's that easy.
later on after that, we'll do a safety check down the road. We'll do a safety check video. We'll do all that stuff down there. But today we're going to do a full assembly, make sure Luch is safe, and get him down the road. So
I want to be safe.
So
We're going to see what happens. And we may even see if we can take this up the Luch Mountain. I don't know.
Yep. So let's get on with it.
Shall we? Don't you even think about it. We stopped that crap. Remember we talked about that?
People are wanting me to bring it back.
I don't care what people want. People want you to jump off a bridge.
Okay.
Bye.
So now on to the assembly, which is real easy. Luch, go ahead.
We're going to start assembling, I guess.
Yep.
All right.
You got to get that front wheel on first before you can put the handlebars on.
The front wheel goes on only one way, people, because it has the rotor already attached to it. So it goes on the one way. And you take your axle and a spacer. There's also a spacer here, people. Check it out. People, this spacer goes inside this seal right here. It just slips right in there like that. And that keeps your bearing dust free. All right, check it out.
And I'm going to go ahead and slip these bars on real quick, and then we'll put in the bolt after you set the wheel.
Now, there's also the speedometer cable on here, too, that you got to set in here inside the groove. Make sure that the little slots match the little groove.
Okay, now tell me again what kind of idiot you are, and how come I'm so smart and now you do it in a mouse and you can't?
I don't know what he's talking about.
See, there you have it, people.
Now this thing does have the optional little carrying case for the back here that you can mount on the back rack, but Luch does not want to put that on there right now. So what we're going to do is we're not going to put that on. You guys have seen this installed on the Classic 50. It's real easy. It's 4 screws and 2 brackets underneath. Boom, done. Real easy. All right?
Yeah. Okay. Now that once you get your caliper lined up and your spacer lined up and your
There we go.
wow
Perfect.
and your speedometer lined up, you can just push your axle on through, and then you can insert nut as such and tighten everything down accordingly.
Now that is a nylock nut, correct?
It is an eye-lock nut.
Now also too, keep in mind when you put in the go ahead. Go ahead.
When I put in what?
When you put the bolt in and you go to tighten it down the nut, make sure it's the opposite direction of the wheel turning. So then that way there, it don't come loose. All
Which
right?
way does the wheel turn?
Wheel turns this way.
Wheel is on the bottom, so round and round, round and round. Okay. And there you have it. Once it's down to 437 Lucha meters, give it a good spin. Try the brake. Try it again. Oh, hey, that's the brake, huh? Look at that.
There you go.
And it brakes.
Yep.
Well, no, it doesn't brake.
All
It
right.
just brakes.
So he's gonna get on the
Brake?
fender.
It's not braking, is it? God, what are you talking about?
Got a good,
Ow!
let's check it here. There we go. Beautiful.
I gotta put a fender on too?
Yes, you got to put a fender on.
I don't even know
While
how
you're
to
putting
do
on the fender, I'm going to put your little mirrors on. And you got 2 mirrors. Real easy to put on there. Simple stuff. These are real basic things to put together. It's not really hard to put one of these scooters together at all.
The fender's pretty hard.
Should take you, what, I'd say half an hour, 40 minutes at the most.
If you got someone that knows how to put a fender on.
Yeah. Yeah, it might take him the whole time to put that fender on.
We'll be back to you on Thursday, people.
So, same with the lights or the mirrors, you just spin them right on. And then,
Okay, people. Once you get the fender hung on the little clips up here on the forks, then you can go ahead and put in your little side screws. And don't forget to install the little rubber baby buggy bumpers underneath.
yeah, those spacers will, those rubber spacers, when you tighten it down, will also help keep it tight as well too.
Stop the vibration.
Yep.
Feel the vibration. Feel it. Feel it.
We're gonna go marky mark on you guys.
We're back to the 80s, people. Is it the 80s or the 90s? That was the 80s, huh? I don't know. Are you done up there?
Yes, I'm done.
Well, how come my wheel turns and the handlebars stay there?
Well, I was gonna leave you with a special trip.
Awesome.
Yep. Now we gotta put that bolt in there. Now the bolt, what you're gonna do is you're gonna keep the wheel turned to one side, and you're gonna do the same thing as well. With that, you're gonna line your bolt up, put it on through. Now, you got that spacer we talked about earlier. That spacer is gonna end up going on the other side there.
Backside.
On the back side. All right? So, let me get this lined up.
Want me to help you?
Welcome back to another episode of Ultralights!
650,000 luching meters.
Yes, torque that down very good because
You don't want Mrs. Luch to come flying off because you forgot to tighten up your handlebars.
well, at least not till the policy starts up.
You know, like the song says, you can't ride your bike with no handlebars.
Yeah.
You'll fly into the bushes, people.
Yep. So after that, now that's pretty much done. We got the fender on, we got the front wheel on, we got the handlebars on.
Next is the fairing.
I'm gonna put on the front plastic while Luch
Oh,
goes.
you got the easy part.
Yes,
huh?
Luch is gonna
Look at
connect
this
the
guy.
battery.
Look at this guy.
Yep.
Okay. Boy, that's a nice looking seat, too.
Yep.
Should conform well to my fat butt.
So we're gonna get this situated and get right back to you guys, okay? All right, guys, we're back.
What we're going to do now is get the battery installed and put the front fairing on.
Yeah, I'm gonna put the Simon cowl right on the front there. It consists of 4 screws and 1 screw in the center. It's real easy. It's 4 Phillips screws and then 1 big screw.
There's also 4 Phillips screws on the bottom little plate here that accesses the battery. The battery hatch. So once you get those out, you're going to pop the little hatch off of there, and there's your battery. Nobody stole your battery. It's right there.
Now, what you want to do before you put the cover on is you want to turn your handlebars back and forth and make sure that none of the wire loom or none of the wiring hits up against that center bar where the cowl mounts right up against.
Oh, you're smart, huh?
All right? So that way there you have no issues whatsoever, okay? So we're clear. We're going to get that on. And this is a murdered out cover here. It's all flat black. Ooh.
That's why we like it.
It's built for speed. The first one is this screw right here. Right here. With the rubber, you always want to make sure to get that little rubber grommet on there.
Keep the rubber side down, people.
Yes. And go ahead and get that guy in there. Real easy.
Yes, so we're really gonna start a scooter gang? Yes, we're gonna start a scooter gang! Shimmy, shimmy, bop, bop, boom, boom, shimmy, shimmy, bang, bang!
All right, guys, we're back. We had to get it off the stand here. We're going to finish tightening up these screws here. And like I said, you got the one right here. You tighten that all the way down.
And then there's 4 from the backside on the cowl
Yep.
that you need to screw in there.
Get it as tight as possible. And then there's 2 more here. 1, 2, 3,
4.
4. Okay, real easy ones to tighten down. You want to get those while you're over there too?
I just got this one over here and this one over here.
Yeah, let me get over on that side. It's a little easier from that angle. There you go. You like my Huckleberry Finn tactics, don't ya?
Hey, Huck.
Hi. Want to help me pay the fence?
I'll be your Huckleberry.
So anyways, that's basically it. He's going to end up putting on the panel that covers the battery, which is 4 screws. We're going to go ahead and check the oil. We're going to put some fuel in it. Hey, there we go. We're going to put some fuel in it. And then give it a start. We'll be right back to you guys to get it to start. All right?
All right, to the rescue.
All right, guys, we're back. And this is the Tao Motor
Pony 50, people.
Yep. This is Luch's scooter.
This is going to be my scooter.
He's attached to it
I
already.
like this one.
We put it together. We took him out for a ride.
Put it together right.
Yes, he had a blast on it. We put them all together right, people.
This one we did especially right, though.
But anyways, this is a really cool little scooter. You know,
We call it the murder scooter.
Yeah.
Murder scooter.
all these little scooters so far are so cool. Have their own little cool things about it. This thing is just basically meat and potatoes right
Strip
here.
down.
Yeah.
You got engine, go and stop.
Yep.
That's it.
There's no extra little bells and whistles on it or
Perfect.
anything like that. Luch likes that a lot. Now,
Perfect.
it does have the back trunk, which is optional, which you can put on there.
But guess who's not going to put that on his scooter?
Yeah, Luch isn't going to put it on there. So
I don't quite care for that look.
yeah. So you know that being said, this is a Tao Motor
Pony 50.
Pony 50. We're going to get Luch doing some Pony Express on it while he's up there in the mountains there on Luch back. Let's get him started up.
Look at that, people, huh?
Yep.
How you like that? Oh, wow. Oh.
So, you know, starts right up. The cool thing about these is they're not that expensive. They're really fuel efficient.
And they're fun as heck.
They are really fun. They go about 35 miles an hour.
They're very well balanced, too.
Yeah.
You can sit here and dip them side to side,
Yeah.
front to back.
Yeah.
See, whoa, yeah, whoa. This one has hydraulics on it, people.
Yeah, no, but seriously, we were riding them around and we didn't need to put our feet down except for when we came to a complete
Stop.
And-
Otherwise, you just kind of sit there and balance.
Yeah, you sit there and balance. It's real easy.
It's fun.
Yeah, and like I said, the price point on them, you just can't beat it. So, anyways, you guys can check these out at taomotor.com. You can find a dealer near you guys and really check them out. Like I said, not a bad scooter at all. So I want to thank you guys for watching Luchmob Garage.
That's us.
Yep, you'll see some more videos of this scooter and other scooters throughout Scooter Week.
This has been Scooter Week,
Yeah.
brought to you by Luchmob Garage, available on that Discovery Channel.
Yep. Thanks for watching, guys.
Rock on.
Peace. Motor. What happened?
You looked at me.